Guys, I'm riding a big screen TV. Someone sent it from Mama. Yes, they listened. They believed that we can get it done for Mama on time, all the time, and in good condition, of course. Mama is a little bit shy, but we don't mind. Mama have the nice white hair, almost golden.
What are you big son?
Good evening. See, you have me working hard. Hey, Mom? You have me working hard? You must have some soup for me. Today is Saturday.
You have no soup, you have some.
You have no soup? Where you going to put such a big something? Mama, you have space for it. Put it on there.
Why don't put this? Come with this.
We are going to figure it out. We can put it on the wall. Because we have the frame to put it on the wall too, you know.
But we not make the space see that yet.
Oh, you don't make the space?
No.
Oh. You have to go make me come help you make the space then.
So we don't see where she buy. What space me don't put this? Would have to put it over here so then.
Why should buy such a big TV and no say
Right,
you have to
I
go
know, say-
redecorate now for it? No, but this is a nice spot. If you put it here,
Would have to change up and we have a plug over here. So
no, the whatnot can stay right here. Put it right here, so. Put it right here, so. This is a good spot.
No, but there somewhere have to put it.
Yeah, it's a good spot.
But you know why she buy such
Alright, so in the meantime, let me just put it right. So the job is almost done. It appears as if now I have to be a decorator. I got this. Mama have no problem when I'm around. We deliver the TV. I don't know about installing, but I can tell her where to put it. That is how we are on this delivery trail. We make sure that your items are received in good order, on time. I'll give you some advice too on the delivery trail.